Hi, I'm Pete with FoamFit Tools, and I have 4 new organizers for the Quinn 428-piece set. These 4 organizers were designed specifically to fit the 428-piece set into the Yukon 46-inch roll cab. And what's kind of unique about this 46-inch Yukon box is it's not very deep front to back. So these organizers are 15 3/8. That's the inside drawer dimension front to back. And the toolbox has one full width drawer on the top, and then 2 banks of drawers that are the same width. A lot of times you see, like in the toolbox behind me, a wide bank and a narrow bank. Because this is evenly split, all those drawers are the same size, and it ends up being one really wide organizer to fit all the sockets in the top drawer, and then 3 small organizers, and these are some of the smallest layouts we've done for the 428-piece set, but it fits the wrenches in 2 drawers, and then everything else in a 3rd drawer. On the socket drawer, we have SAE on the left, metric on the right, and most of the drive tools are right here in the center, although we've got some extensions over on the far right side. And the way the layout works, these are the half drive deep, half drive short, 3/8 deep, 3/8 short, quarter deep, and quarter short. And then there's a bunch of other things in here, spark plug sockets, hex bit sockets in the 3 different drive sizes, 8-point sockets, some Phillips bit sockets. And then the same layout is just mirrored on this side. So half drive deep, half drive short, 3/8 drive deep, 2 rows of 3/8 short, the quarter deep, quarter short, and then there's some hex and Torx bit and slotted screwdriver bit sockets here, and then the bigger hex and Torx are off on the side here. Some other things that are kind of neat about the 3/8 drive set, they give you this little ratcheting bit wrench and a whole bunch of different screwdriver bits. So if you've got a tight axis thing, these bits pop into this little ratcheting wrench. And there's also a magnetic handle that you'll see later on here when we get to the screwdriver drawer. So a lot of screwdriver bits rounding out this set. Another piece that's kind of unique to the 428-piece set, this adapter, you slide a half drive extension through it, and you have a sliding T-handle. Now, there are a few extensions in this set that have wobble ends on them. So another thing, if you've got an axis issue, that they give you a few wobble extensions in that 428-piece set. And of course, like all of our organizers, we like to put a big finger pocket right at the balance point of the ratchet, so it's easy to grab what you need. Same thing with the sockets, you can grab them easily. We put just enough space between the rows so you can get your fingers in there, even if you're wearing gloves. This drawer is SAE wrenches. The combination wrenches have quarter, 5/16, and 11/32 up in the corner, and then 3/8 to 15/16 in the front row. One of the things that we did that I kind of like is we raised the wrenches up just a little bit in the foam so that they're a little bit easier to grab, a little easier to get your fingers on, especially the small sizes. And then for ratcheting wrenches, these are a non-reversible design. So it rotates one way and you just flip the wrench over to go the opposite direction. This set includes 3/8 up to 3/4. On the metric wrench drawer, we had to go with thicker foam so we could put some of the wrenches on edge. So the ratcheting wrenches, the metric ratcheting wrenches are on edge. The combination wrenches are flat. And one of the other things that we had to do is we had to alternate these to try and get them a little bit closer together. But with the thicker foam, they were able to put a nice big finger pocket in there. It makes it really easy to grab the size you need. So it goes from 5.5 millimeter up to 22 millimeter on the combination wrenches, and on the ratcheting wrenches, it goes from 8 to 17. The 4th and final drawer is screwdrivers and hex keys. There's also an adjustable wrench, an 8-inch adjustable wrench. The SAE long and short are in the front, long and short metric are in the back, the 2 midget screwdrivers, and then the rest of the screwdrivers. And the Quinn screwdrivers have this nice, little bit soft, overmolded handle and magnetic tips, so they're a pretty nice screwdriver. If you want to organize the Quinn 428-piece set in the Yukon 46-inch roll cab, these 4 organizers are going to do a great job for you. We've sized the pockets specifically for the Quinn tools, and we've sized the foam specifically to fill the drawer of the box, and that helps reduce errors. So anybody who's putting the tools away can easily find where they go. That helps reduce missing tools, lost tools. It's a great way to do tool control if you've got multiple people working out of one shared toolbox. You can order any of these organizers by visiting FoamFitTools.com. If you go to our tool organizers page, click on Quinn to see everything we make for Quinn, or look for the Quinn 428 page. We got a page specifically for that set. We've done a lot of different arrangements for different toolboxes. So we started off doing the big US General boxes, 27 inch, 42, 56, and 72. And then we did the US General 5-drawer cart, that's the 30-inch cart. There's one of the next ones we're doing after the Yukon ones is for the US General full bank 34-inch 6-drawer cart. So that'll be up just a few days. So we've got a lot of options, so you can easily organize the Quinn 428 piece set no matter what toolbox you're thinking of using. Click like, click subscribe if you'd like to see our other videos, and thanks a lot for watching.